हेलो गाइस, होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। आज हम थोड़े टाइम के बाद मिल रहे हैं। एक्चुअली कुछ काम ऐसे आ गए थे जिसकी वजह से मैं वीडियो शूट नहीं कर पाया, बट आज आप देख सकते हैं आज हम यहाँ पे नेक्सॉन का वॉक अराउंड डिस्कस करेंगे। हेयर कम्स द ऑल न्यू टाटा नेक्सॉन XZ+ ड्यूल टोन। तो आप ये देखिए, यहाँ पे नेक्सॉन यहाँ पे हमारी नीचे उतरते हुए, और कितनी बेहतरीन लग रही है। और आप बस देखिए यहाँ पे इसका कमाल, ऑफ रोडिंग के साथ साथ वॉक अराउंड। जस्ट हैव अ लुक एट इट, हाउ वंडरफुल इट इज़ लुकिंग। तो आज हम इसकी डिटेल्ड वॉक अराउंड, जैसे मैंने आपसे प्रॉमिस किया था, उसके बारे में बात करेंगे। Let's get started. Okay. सो विल स्टार्ट फ्रॉम द फ्रंट। तो आप जैसे कि यहाँ पे देख सकते हैं, टाटा ने ये गाड़ी बहुत ही बेहतरीन डिज़ाइन की है, और ये डिज़ाइन की है रेंज रोवर के कॉन्सेप्ट पे। उसका फ्रेम मॉडल है और बहुत ही बेहतरीन फेसलिफ्ट मॉडल है ये, जो हमारी पहले टाटा नेक्सॉन आती थी। आई गेस दिस लुक्स मोर स्टडी and heavy bulky look it has than in compared to the previous Tata Nexon. In terms of look, I'm totally satisfied. So now let's start with its feature. Tata provides the electronic adjustable ORVMs, okay, and since this is XZ+, you get the diamond cut alloys, and the tire size it provides is 215/60R16. And now talking about the front of this car, it gives a C-shaped element which makes this car look more sturdy and heavier. And just there, if you see, it provides you the fog lamps, which actually gives a better effect at night, and these are really useful. Tata also provides the DRLs, these are daylight running lamps, and the projected headlamps. Now in the front it has the black finishing and grille, and in the center it has the Tata logo, which is actually looking quite nice in the front. Then at the bottom, if you see just below the number plate, it provides a tri-arrow design, and below that it has a cloth plate coated with silver color. So these tri-arrow design, don't you think gives it a sporty look? Please comment down below if you have any comments, any feedback for this. Now if you see, this has the white strip, which is iconic for Nexon. Okay, this is a signature white strip, and the white rooftop makes the best combination out of all, and that is the reason why I choose dual tone over any other normal car, because it is actually giving a very enhanced look. If you see on the top, it has the silver coated roof rails, which comes with this model, and the windows are coated with black taping, which actually gives it a very good sporty look. Now if you see at the bottom, its ground clearance is 209 mm, and I really don't give it a second thought when I have to pass my car over any pothole. Also, as you can see on the doors, there is a black door guard in the tri-arrow design. From the back side, if you see on the top, it has the shark fin black antenna that is already installed in this car. At the back it has good backlights with a signature strips, which gives it a very nice look at night. And then at the bottom, if you see, it has the triangular silver element, and the center light has the tri-arrow design in it. If you can see at the bottom again, if you see the bumper, the back bumper of the car has a tri-arrow design, and the lower cuff plates are designed in silver to give it a better look. Now it comes with the rear camera which is installed here, and there is a back wiper to it. This is the frameless wiper. At the back we have Tata at the center along the white signature strip, and just below that we have the Nexon branding at the center, which gives it overwhelming look. This comes with the backlight embedded on the top spoiler of Nexon, along with the shark's fin black antenna. I hope you like the look of Tata Nexon from the back. Now let me just show you the dicky, how it looks like. There's a request sensor button available at the back. I just need to click this. Once I press this, the dicky will get open. I have car cover in the dicky, and it gives enough space to keep around 3 to 4 standard size luggage bags. The boot space is 350 liters. This is the boot tray, which is by default available here. You can keep your any stuff here, any belonging, and this is also foldable. So the car handles are body colored, and now this is the request sensor to open the door. Once I open this, now let's get inside and talk about its feature. Okay, so now we are inside. Let me just take you through all the features available inside this car. So this is the handle to open the door, and here the power window buttons are available. This is from here you can operate your front right left windows, and this is for the rear windows. This button is available to lock all the power windows, so that only you can operate it unless you release this button. Now, and this has adjustable steering. It does not comes with telescopic steering. On the left hand side it has the audio controls. This is for the volume, and from here you can switch to another song, and here this is the voice assist button available, and from here you can mute the song and you can cut the call. Now the steering has the Tata logo in the center, and from here you can adjust the lights, and from here left hand side you can adjust the wiper speed. You can switch on the wipers, and this is the exit plus, so it comes with start stop push button, and it comes with the digital instrument meter, and AC vents are having the silver chrome linings, which gives it a luxury feel, along with the tri-arrow design coated on the dashboard center linings, which goes all along till the end towards the left. So all AC vents are having the silver linings to give it a better look. Now this is the parking button, and this has the Harman Kardon infotainment system. Currently it's switched off, and if I just need to switch on this, I just right after pressing this button, this will switch on, and it has the most updated Harman Kardon software, last released on 19th January 2021. Now just below the vents, it has the volume control. These are the manual volume controls. Here, from here you can mute your infotainment system. You can switch off and switch on. These are the audio control buttons. XZ Plus comes with the auto AC feature. Just clicking this AC button once will switch on the AC, and clicking it again will switch off the AC. On the right hand side, if you see, you click this button, the AC fans and speed will get auto adjusted, and just by clicking this will turn off the AC in one go. And these are the standard buttons that comes along this model, and just beneath these buttons we have a button available to open the dicky. This is to lock the car from inside, and this is the button to operate the car fog lamps. Here I have inserted the phone charger for my personal use, and this is the USB to get your phone connected to the Harman Kardon infotainment system. Currently I am using Apple CarPlay to operate this infotainment system. It comes with the 6-speed gearbox, comes with 3 driving modes, and just turning it clockwise, anti-clockwise will swap its driving modes. And this is the blind shutter available here. It gives enough space where you can keep your phones, and then it has the handrest available here where you can just keep your stuff, and it gives a proper support while driving. This button is available to open the glove box. This is available with AC vent at the end. This is the another tray where you can keep your documents. Yes, now let's close this. These doors are embedded with the tweeters, and it has a well designed umbrella holder, and here this is the water bottle holder available on all the 4 doors. And let me just show you how the ORVMs operates. If I just press this downwards, the ORVMs will close, and again if I click the same way, the ORVMs will open. I rotate it right, so it will get adjusted, and the same thing goes for the left ORVMs. Let me just show you. See, the top, this dashboard is rugged, and this actually is non-slippery altogether. I mean, this is the brown colored dashboard, giving it the best in class dashboard experience. Okay, so this is scratchless, and see, this is quite heavy, and that's why this car is so famous in the compact SUV segment, having the best in class 5-star safety rating. It has the mic available on the top. Here you can keep your wallet. This is enough space to keep your wallet or your goggles, sunglasses, and from here you can turn on the lights. And the top, if you see these sun visors, this comes with the vanity mirror on the left hand side, and on the right hand side it just comes with a parcel strip. it has no vanity mirror, but it's okay. I mean, I guess it is manageable. This car comes with the standard JBL speakers attached to all the 4 doors to give a good sound quality experience. Let's have a look at the rear side of this car. Let me just take you through the comfort and the features available at the rear seat. This seat gives enough legroom space, and also these seats are wider enough so that it gives a good thigh support, and which eventually turn out to be a very good compact SUV for the long travel purposes. Okay, and since this is XZ Plus, it comes with the handrest. Here I fixed the seat, so anytime when I want to use this, I need to open this, and like this it operates. You can place your hand well, and this is quite tough. I guess this is long lasting, and this is the cupboard available. It has the adjustable headrest, and it comes with the 3 handles on the top. That's the one. This is the second one, and here it's the third one. It has the power window controls buttons on both the rear windows, and it has the AC vents just below the handrest to provide a better air conditioned experience. I hope you have liked this video. Please do like, share and subscribe if you are new to my channel, and for any feedback you can just comment down below, and I'll make sure that I respond to your comments at the earliest. Show your love by subscribing and support this channel so it can grow and I can make more videos in the automobile segment, not just limited to the cars, but I will also extend this support to capture the bike reviews. If you want to see such videos in the coming future, please comment down below. I'll be happy to support you. तो मैं आपसे जल्दी ही मिलता हूँ. अपना ख्याल रखिए, अपने घर वालों का ख्याल रखिए, and stay safe, stay calm, be happy. Bye bye, take care.